Ross Nickel, a core developer of the Dogecoin Foundation, recently announced his departure from the meme cryptocurrency project, but will continue to serve as an advisor, citing overwhelming stress and a potential conflict of interest. The Dogecoin Foundation is a non-profit organization that aims to support the development of the meme coin, and it has released its first-ever roadmap outlining a number of new projects. It should be noted that Nickel also works full-time for another company, the name of which is unknown at this time. According to Nickel, his departure isn't final, and there is further complication because his employer is moving into the blockchain space, which could create a conflict of interest if he continues to serve as director of the Dogecoin Foundation. "I'm giving the Dogecoin Foundation everything I have, and I will continue to serve as an advisor to the foundation to facilitate the transition," he wrote in a blog post. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins. You can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. The Dogecoin Foundation continues to face a number of threats, according to the chief developer. In 2021, a number of parties registered Dogecoin trademarks, presumably to claim they were Dogecoin. External parties we'd never heard of were able to get articles published referring to them as Dogecoin developers. There was also a potential lawsuit against the developers in the summer of 2021 from someone who claimed we were responsible for their funds, Nickel said, adding that he's not in the right frame of mind to steer Dogecoin into the next phase. Just a few weeks ago, Billy Markus, the co-founder of Dogecoin, urged supporters to remain calm as the cryptocurrency has failed to gain traction since January 2022. Markus warned the meme coin community in a tweet not to become crazy, toxic, attacky, spammy, as this could devalue the brand. Doge also has a fervent supporter in Tesla CEO Elon Musk, whose frequent tweets have contributed to the digital token's growth. Musk's Twitter bio was once changed to former CEO of Dogecoin. Other celebrities, such as rapper Snoop Dogg and rock musician Gene Simmons, have promoted it on social media as well. Dogecoin, like many other cryptocurrencies, is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized network. Users can instantly send money to one another via the network from anywhere in the world, as long as they have access to the internet. Musk has often said that he became interested in Dogecoin specifically because many of Tesla's production line workers owned it. He's said to have been working with Dogecoin Developer since 2019 and even offered to help fund further the network development, which the founders declined. However, the developers have taken Musk's advice to try to increase the number of transactions per second on the Dogecoin network and make the network more energy efficient. This has become a significant issue for crypto networks such as Bitcoin because miners use massive amounts of computer power to solve cryptographic puzzles in order to earn new tokens. Media outlets recently confirmed that Dogecoin intends to transition the network from proof-of-work mining, which requires massive amounts of computing power, to proof-of-stake. Proof-of-stake requires cryptocurrency owners to stake their tokens in order to become validators on the network and approve transactions in order to create new blocks and tokens. Musk also does not appear to be losing interest in Dogecoin, despite its recent decline, and has used his clout to make it more usable for commerce. In January, Tesla announced that it would accept Dogecoin for the purchase of certain merchandise, causing Dogecoin's price to rise by over 15% as a result. Many critics find it difficult to see how Dogecoin can actually be a leading cryptocurrency at this time. Mostly, they claim that nothing really differentiates it from any other cryptocurrency out there. From a functionality standpoint, they also believe that the network is uninteresting. While it has a higher TPS than Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have much higher TPS. Furthermore, because Dogecoin lacks the smart contract capabilities of Ethereum, programmers can't use it to create decentralized applications or dApps. As the network is transitioning to a POS concept, many believe that due to how energy-intensive mining has become, this is a step that most blockchain networks will eventually adopt. From an investor's perspective, critics also claim that Dogecoin lacks favorable supply and demand dynamics. There are over 133 billion tokens in circulation, and that number is expected to grow by 5 billion every year, implying that this token can't be considered a hedge against inflation. While this is true, there are solutions in the works to help Dogecoin fight inflation. Dogecoin had a big advantage in that it used the power of marketing, memes, and its Shiba Inu mascot to create a fun community. The Dogecoin community isn't gone, and other tokens such as Shiba Inu, which appear to have started as a knockoff of Dogecoin, have followed a similar strategy and have taken some of that marketing momentum. The good news for Dogecoin investors is that the token doesn't look to be going away anytime soon. Dogecoin still has a market cap of more than $16 billion and the continued support of one of the richest men in the world. It also appears to be fairly well established in the crypto world, so it's expected to fluctuate in tandem with the broader crypto market. Musk has already succeeded in making Dogecoin a winner in some ways, but in terms of another insane run like the token had in early 2021, those days may be far away. The price of Dogecoin went down after an important update recently went live. This update was aiming to address a number of security issues associated with the famous meme coin, as well as reduce its transaction fees and improve performance. According to a GitHub note, Update 1.14.5 is a new minor version release that includes security updates and network policy changes. The note strongly advises all Dogecoin core users, miners, and operators to upgrade as soon as possible. According to the GitHub release, the update addresses two vulnerabilities that are currently affecting the majority of Dogecoin core users: remote code execution in Dogecoin and sensitive information exposure on Unix platforms. Notably, the update reduces Dogecoin transaction fees from 1 Doge to 0.01 Doge per transaction, a 99% reduction. The update was first revealed by Dogecoin developers on November 7, 2021, causing a frenzy around the coin. According to CoinGecko data, Dogecoin, which was trading at around 26 cents on that day, shot up to nearly 30 cents on November 8th, gaining more than 12% along the way. Meanwhile, Elon Musk praised the update, calling it important. Elon, the first critical step has been taken, so many people contributed to this release. First, developers, and then the entire community pushed for this release with extraordinary enthusiasm, said one Twitter user in response to Elon Musk, expressing gratitude for the billionaire's support. The Dogecoin Foundation had announced its re-establishment in mid-August, promising to support the meme coin community, as well as promote the future of the Dogecoin blockchain. The foundation stated at the time that they're there to accelerate the development effort by supporting current Dogecoin core and future Dogecoin developers to work full-time through sponsorship, as well as providing a welcome landing for new contributors, hoping to help with the project. There's a lot of optimism in the Doge community about the coin in 2022. The crypto space will expand further, as evidenced by cryptos such as Dogecoin. The coin benefited from widespread institutional acceptance as a payment option in 2021. The same will happen this year with more retail stores and exchanges supporting Doge. Some Doge enthusiasts proposed a new use case for it in hot tubs in mid-2021, as this would increase the coin's utility in daily life. Elon seemed to like the idea, but we all know this is kind of silly. But silly things have happened before, so never write anything off. Several Doge killers have already been identified in recent times. However, the crypto space may see the rise of more Dogecoin killer tokens and coins like Floki Ino this year. Also, Doge may face more competition, if any one of them is like Shiba Inu. Given all of the anticipated developments, this year will most likely be a more significant year for the coin. The question is, how will the aforementioned developments affect the price of the coin? Some experts predict that Doge will reach a $1 mark before the end of the year. Others predict that the price will rise to $1.50 in the next 5 years. Doge is currently trading below its 200-day simple moving average, according to technical indicators. Because of the massive developments that the coin will go through in the coming days, it could easily outperform in the long run. While Doge is expected to reach a new all-time high of $1, investors may have to settle for a much lower value of around 40 cents, according to Wallet Investor. To reach such a massive high, the coin must continue to gain community support. Overall, Doge is expected to increase in value by 2022. Investors can sit back and wait to see how things play out. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.